Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put your Apple AirPods into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And this is really easy to do. Now when you're trying to connect it to a device, make sure you open up the case, just like this. And it's going to probably just connect to your Apple phone really easily. Just make sure these two things are in here, just like that. And they should start charging too. And right on the back, there is a small button. So you can kind of see it right now. Just hold this down. If we hold down this button, this light is going to go ahead and blink. That's an indication. It's searching for a Bluetooth device to connect to. So just go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So on your Android phone, it'll be really easy to do. Just scroll on down from the top. Just like this, and you should be able to find Bluetooth. So here it is. Let's hold down on it. I'll bring you to the Bluetooth settings. Go to pair new device, and your AirPods should display under here. And you can see I already have my AirPods connected. Now on your iPhone, it's going to be very similar too. So let me just get my iPhone up, and then I'll show you how to do it. So we just want to go to settings, locate Bluetooth. And you can see my AirPods in here. And typically when you just open up your case, it's going to want you to connect right away. It connects really quick with your iPhone. There it is, right on the bottom. You can see my AirPods are connected there. And you can have these connected to multiple different devices. And I like the iPhone. It shows you the battery life of the AirPods on the bottom. So it's really easy to connect your AirPods to pretty much any Bluetooth device, your phones, your computer, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.